Assalamualaikum students. This is the subject of elementary education and administration for BS4 semester 7. Today we are going to study lesson planning. Organized planning always plays a quite substantial role in the execution of any task in our life. It not only caters to the proper realization of the aims of doing that task, but also helps in proper utilization of time and energy on the part of human and material resources. The teachers who plan their work properly prove quite efficient and effective in their teaching and instructional work during the whole session. Now, types of planning regarding teaching are three types: yearly planning, unit planning, and daily lesson planning. Yearly planning, teacher plan the whole session or yearly lessons according to the days and time allotted. Unit planning means division of whole subjects into meaningful portions according to the time of the period. Then the third one is daily lesson planning. It is the planning made by the teacher on a day by day basis. Daily lesson planning and yearly lesson planning has a lot of difference between them. Daily lesson planning includes unit planning, which both are different from one another. Here the different points which make daily and unit lesson planning separate from one another are written. Unit planning is meant for division, organization and planning of the prescribed syllabus being covered in the whole session. Scope of unit planning is wider. Time period is more. Objectives are greater. Whereas in daily lesson planning helps in organization of teaching learning in terms of a lesson delivered during a classroom period. Daily lesson planning has limited scope. Time period is short. Objectives are less. Then unit planning involves more people. Unit planning gives the daily lesson planning most reasonable and effective results, and after effects can be judged and analyzed later on. Daily lesson planning involves less or only one person. Results can be evaluated at the same day and time. Now, the importance or the need of the daily lesson planning is it saves time and energy. Motivation is created, improving learning process, proper presentation of the daily lecture is possible, teacher can have adequate accuracy over his or her lesson, evaluation of teacher and student is possible, teaching aids and tools can be prepared easily before the class. Teacher can plan easily class manage and before the class. Thank you students.